the Lawton Public Schools' 3rd annual cardboard boat race. These engineers have spent countless hours designing, developing, and engineering these plans for their cardboard boats. So let's give all of these kiddos a round of applause, please, for their effort. Before we get started today, we want to take a moment and say thank you to some really important people. A project of this size is never possible without a lot of help and assistance, and we'd like to recognize some people right now. So, first and foremost, we'd like to thank Fort Sill and the Rinehart Fitness Center staff for everything they're doing to support our kiddos. So please give them a round of applause. They're here from custodial staff. They're helping to clean up. They're helping to monitor, the lifeguards monitoring in the pool, so they play an integral part in this setup. We'd also like to thank Sybil McKay, the school liaison officer. We'd like to thank, that's right, you can give her a round of applause. Pretty important position. We'd like to recognize Lynn Cortez and the LPS communications team, as well as our student LRC and MacArthur Middle School media team members. They're all here in support of our students, so thank you guys for being here to support us. We also want to say thank you to Dave McDermott and Cody LaRoche, Eugene Sappentine, and the LPS Print Shop for the amazing awards that they have created for our kiddos today. In addition, we'd like to say thank you to LPS Information Technology for helping with the setup today. Lisa Sparks, the Executive Director of Elementary Education, for her commitment to our success and the student success. And we'd also like to say thank you to Daniel Graham and the Child Nutrition Group from LPS for the amazing lunch that they provided today. So please give all of those people a round of applause for their support. Without any further ado, let me introduce to you, in lane 1, we have Almore West. Their team is Layton, Genesis, McKenna, and Harley, and they have been coached by Miss Baggett. So show them some love, please. All right. So, lane 1 is, I am so sorry, I'm backwards. Where's Layton's team? Layton's team is actually in lane 4. I'm sorry, friends, lane 4, wave your hands. All right, that's Almore West. Next to them in lane 3, we have, is that Cleveland? It is Cleveland, I can see you. Okay, give us a wave, Cleveland. And on Cleveland's team, we have Morelli, Isaac, Jose, Anel, and Ethan. Thanks for being here, guys, and working so hard. In lane number 2, we have Carriage Hills. Carriage Hills, give a wave. Their team consists of Addison, Eli, Aurora, May, Jake, Ellie, Melanie, Connor, Dalen, Xander, and Israel. And they are coached by Miss Scarborough. Miss Scarborough. And last but not least, in lane 1, at this end, closest to me, is the Woodland Hills team. Give a wave, friends. Woodland Hills consists of Bladen, Claire, Jada, Gavin, Daryl, Gunner, Javion, Blake, and their captain is Coach Tickle. So good job, guys. All right, so just so you understand, we're all gonna put our boats in the water together. We're all going to recall the rules that you have to come all the way down, the first one to the end. You're all being timed, and we're looking for the fastest time. Have I forgotten anything? Right, the sides, we know we're not going to touch the sides. There are penalties for that. So, all right, anyone have questions? All right, adults, you heard that. You heard that. For the safety and security of our captains in the boats, you'll notice that they're all wearing their life vests provided by Rinehart Fitness Center. And we do have some lifeguards ready to roll in case of an emergency. But everything's going to be good. The boats are going to float, and we're ready to roll. All right. All right, so teams, you may place your boat in the water. And your captain may board the vessel. All right, hold on to your boat. We're all going to release at the same time. We're going to count down. I'm going to say 3, 2, 1, go, and that's when we'll all start. Ready? Show me thumbs up if you're ready, captains. All the captains ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Audience, you can cheer for your favorite team. Let's hear it, guys. So it looks like our West has capsized. They're out of the race. But we've got Carriage Hills out in front, followed closely by the team from Woodland Hills. Wow, it's almost neck and neck. They're rowing hard as fast as they can. Remember not to touch the sides or use the sides for support. And we've got Cleveland working hard. Good job. Nicely done. We do have our first and second. We have Cleveland, and we have Woodland Hills finishing. You're welcome to finish. Come on down. Keep paddling. Let's go, Carriage Hills. You can make it. Let's go. Woo! Those were some pretty fast heats. Let's give all of those competitors a round of applause, please. Good job to everyone out here. Whether you're the first to the finish line or not, it's still a valuable learning experience for everyone involved. So nicely done, everyone. Please give them all a round of applause. All right, we are almost ready to transition to our second heat. Our second heat consists of Freedom, Mrs. Rooney's group, Hugh Bish, Pat Henry, and Ridgecrest. So be on the lookout for those teams heading your way here in a moment. Coming in first, we see Miss Rooney's group from Freedom. So they're going to come all the way down here closest to Mrs. Bigler. Come on down and take lane 1.
Now they have 2 teams, right?
Yes. Rooney and Zemlin.
And
This is Rooney. Rooney. Freedom, go ahead and come all the way down here closest to Mrs. Bigler in lane 1. Coming in next in lane number 2, we see Mr. Moretz and his Hugh Bish team. Hugh Bish, you're going to take lane number 2. And they're followed by Pat Henry. Pat Henry, you're going to take lane number 3, please. by Mr. Lockhart. If you are the captain, please come down here and let us get you fitted for a life jacket. Safety above all else. And rounding out our last team in the heat, we have Ridgecrest. And Ridgecrest is coached by Miss Rogers. Miss Rogers, you're going to be in lane 4. Lane 4. All right, everyone remember, please, safety above all else. We want you to use walking feet. Captains, make sure you're wearing your life vest at all times near the water. All right, teams, we're going to put our boats in the water together here in just a moment. Then you're going to help steady the boat so your captain can board the vessel. And then we'll count down together, 3, 2, 1, I'll say go, and you can release and your captain may paddle. All right, show me thumbs up, please, if you're ready. All right, in lane number 1, we have Miss Rooney's Freedom Group. That consists of Reagan, Talman, Bentley, Kyron, Ethan, John, Brandon, and Quinn, coached by Miss Rooney. Show them some love, friends. In lane number 2, we have the Hubish Knights. They're coached by Mr. Moretz. We have Lakai, Levi, Gannon, and Elizabeth. Lane number 3, the Pat Henry Jaguars. We have Isabella, Mina, Sophia, Isaac, Soraya, Sinsley, and Kendra, coached by Mr. Lockhart. Show them some love. And last but not least, the Ridgecrest Rocket Hawks. Their team consists of Saul, Robert, Blakely, and Ray. They're coached by Miss Rogers. Give them a round of applause. Spectators, remember you can make all the noise you want and cheer your team on. I'm sure they'd love the motivation. All right, team. Everyone ready? I see Mr. Moretz work in just a second. All right, teams. Hubish, show me thumbs up if you're ready. I think they did. All right, okay, they are ready. Teams, please put your boats in the water. Remember to hold it steady until your captain gets aboard. I love how they all have a different design. It's pretty amazing to see how the thought process works with these kiddos. All right, steady the boat while your captain climbs aboard. All right, captains, show me thumbs up if you're ready. All right, let's do a countdown together. 3, 2, 1, go. All right, the team from Pat Henry's off to a good start, solid start. We noticed that the team from Ridgecrest has 2, a captain and a co-captain. The team over from Freedom Elementary is working hard. Oh, capsized from Pat Henry, but the captain is okay. You can do this. Your boat's amazing and you're a great captain. You can come to the end. Come on. You do what's right for you. I love the perseverance. Can you show her some love, please? We're making it all the way. Some motivation. You're doing great. And our team from Ridgecrest is still paddling, making it to the end. They're still working on it. Good job, guys. Tenacity, never giving up. Good job. Perseverance. They're almost to the end there. And here comes our captain from Ubish. You can do it. We're proud of you. Let's go. She's got a lot of stick-to-itness. You're doing a great job. Keep paddling. Keep paddling. You're doing great. And you're smiling the whole time. That's what we like to see. Keep going. You got it. Let's go. You're doing great. Keep going. You've got this. Come on, just a few more yards. You've got this. Let's go. Look at all these people cheering for you. Woo! You're amazing. You can do it, Elizabeth. You've got this. You've got it. You're okay. There you go. This is no easy task. It's harder than it looks. So please give Elizabeth another round of applause. And a big shout out to all of the rest of the teams for providing support and motivation. Good job, you guys. Teamwork makes the dream work. Good job. All right, I think we can help her out. Elisha, just help her out. Pull her in. All right, that was a pretty exciting race, wasn't it? Good job to all the competitors. Nicely done. All right, so teams, you may return to the gymnasium, and we'll get ready for the third heat. Nicely done. Give them another round of applause as they exit the facility. Yes, we are at the halfway point of the race. We have 2 more heats to go. We're ready to start heat 3 with Crosby Park, Edison, Eisenhower, and Lincoln. You know, this cardboard boat race is about more than just winning and losing. It's about teamwork, it's about engineering and thought process, it's about science and technology, it's about making lifelong friends. Some of these kiddos were out here helping each other, providing support, and that's just as important as winning. So your kids are making lifelong memories, friends. All right, so it looks like we have the team from Eisenhower first. So Eisenhower, you'll be in lane number 1, followed by Lincoln in lane number 2. you'll be in lane number 3. And Edison, you'll be closest to the spectators in lane number 4. I'll say it again. All right, so in lane number 1, we have Eisenhower. Eisenhower Electric Eels. I love that name. In lane number 2, we have Lincoln Floating Jets. Lane number 3 is Crosby Park Winter Warriors. And in lane number 4, Edison, we have Edison Superhawks. If you are a captain for your boat, would you make sure that you make your way down here for a life jacket? We're all going to put our boats in the water at the same time, so everybody ready? I don't see the captain from Eisenhower. It takes a lot of courage to get up here and do this in front of everyone, especially when it's the very first time you've ever done it. So we're really proud of each and every one of you. We applaud your effort, win or lose. Well, Miss Bigler, I wasn't going to say that, but I heard you. All right. We're going to put our boats in the water at the same time. Show me thumbs up if you and your team are ready, please. I don't do good with close-ups. Thumbs up if you're ready. All right, teams, please place your boats in the water. Remember to steady them until your captain gets aboard. You may put your boat in the water. All right, captains, you may board your vessel. In lane number 1, we have Eisenhower Electric Eels, Caden, Javante, Kavari, Abel, and Gabriel. In lane number 2, we have Lincoln Lincoln Floating Jets, Patience, Estefani, Kaylee, and Jaled. And they're coached by Miss Martin. In lane number 3, we have Crosby Park Winter Warriors, Zamaya, Brian, Knevia, JD, and Kennedy, coached by Miss Baggett. And in lane number 4, we have the Edison Superhawks, consisting of Jonathan, Kaylee, Anna, Araya Lynn, Amelia, and Maxwell, coached by Mr. Lopez. All right. Teams, we're going to count backwards from 3, and you can release on the word go. 3, 2, 1, go. All right, they're off to such a great, strong start. I see Edison working hard over in lane 4. It looks like to be neck and neck with lane 1, Eisenhower, paddling just as fast as they can. We've got Lincoln coming on pretty strong, as well as Crosby Park. Got their boat turned around a little bit. Oh no, Edison has capsized, so they're out of this. But Eisenhower is nearing the finish line, and Eisenhower. They are the winners for this heat, but we want to encourage you to keep, come on, we're going to wait for you. We want to see you and your boat make it to the end. Let's go. Team members, you can show them some love and some motivation and encouragement. You've got this. Keep coming. We're all so proud of you. You can do it. Keep coming. I love it that you're still wearing a smile. This is hard work. Good job. Let's go, Kennedy. You've got this. You can do this. Keep going. You're almost there. Just a few more yards, Kennedy. Good job. Keep going. You're doing great. Good job. Show her a round of applause for her tenacity and her perseverance. Good job, Kennedy. Woo! Nicely done. Good job. All right, let's give everyone a round of applause for their hard work.
They get wet.
Okay.
So they were gaining water while you were reading the names.
Gotcha. Gotcha. Okay.
That was just the third heat, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
One more heat.
So we're almost ready for our final heat. We want to remind you that these boats are constructed from nothing more than tape and cardboard. If they were made out of stone, it'd be a real hardship. I'm not quitting my day job, just so you know. All right, rounding out our last heat, we have Freedom, Mrs. Zimlin's class, Pioneer Park, Sullivan Village, and Whittier. They should be making their way to the pool any moment. All right, so for those of you who didn't hear, Vanessa Perez is there in the corner, and this is really her baby. She kind of runs this. Give away, Vanessa. So Vanessa just shared with me that there will be an award ceremony about 10 or 15 minutes after the end of the final heat. We have to have enough time to do judges' tabulations and whatnot. But there will be 3 awards presented as well as some certificates and things as well. So you'll want to join us in the main gym for that award ceremony. Doris, is this Sullivan Village? Pioneer Park. Sorry, I couldn't see the logo from here. Pioneer Park. All right, Pioneer Park is in lane 1. In lane 2, Whittier Space Cardinals. Yeah? Okay. Lane number 3. Lane number 3 looks like it's Mrs. Zimlin's class from Freedom. And lane number 4 is Sullivan Village. All right, so if you are the captain, please make sure that you come down and get your life jacket on. All right, friends, we're going to put our boats in the water together, so be patient for just a minute. I want to introduce everyone first. So in lane number 1, Pioneer Park, Milky Way Park, and that consists of Jackson, Adley, Eli, Kristen, Dakota, Sterling, Raya, and Omari. Show them some love. And next to them, we have the Whittier, let me see, Whittier, I'm so sorry, 2 places. Whittier Space Cardinals, Hallie, Gabriel, Mackay, and Ivy, coached by Mr. Moretz. In lane number 3, we have the Freedom Rocketing Eagles, consisting of Blake, Hunter, Caleb, Ayana, Connor, Kaysen, Cadence, Reagan, Anna, and Camden, coached by Mrs. Zimlin. Wave your hands, guys, so we can see you. And in lane number 4, we have Sullivan Village Dart Garfield and the H2O UFO. Their team consists of Diego, Jacob, Arden, Lariah, Rylan, Lily, Naomi, Liam, Isabella, Nathan, Elizabeth, Joseph, Velia, and coached by Coach McMasters and Coach Cunningham. So give them a round of applause as well. All right, team, show me thumbs up if you're ready. Everyone's ready? All right, let's all place our boats in the water now, please. Place your boats in the water. Remember to hold them steady as your captain climbs aboard. Captains, you may climb aboard. And show me a thumbs up when you're ready. All right, everyone ready? Show me a thumbs up if your team is ready, please. Freedom, are we ready? Okay, we're gonna count down 3, 2, 1, and when I say go, then you can release the boat. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. We're off to a pretty strong start. In lane number 4, we've got Sullivan Village paddling just as quickly as they can. Oh, capsized. But we still have 3 boats in the race. We still have Freedom in the race in lane number 3. In lane number 2, going strong is still Whittier. And it's neck and neck. Pioneer Park is paddling just as fast as they can. Who's it gonna be? Nicely done. It's all neck and neck. I see lane 3 and 4, we've got Freedom and Pioneer Park pulling away. Still neck and neck. Probably the louder you cheer, the faster they paddle. It looks like, wow, Whittier's coming up on them. It's still anyone's race, Pioneer Park holds a slight lead by a nose. Coming up to the end. Keep paddling, Harder, here we go. 1, 2, 3, good job. Nicely done. Give all of our competitors a round of applause, please. Nicely done. That was impressive. Neck and neck almost the entire way.
I love that.
With all that paddling, that was quite an ordeal. I'm just going to give them all out there. Good job. Please show our competitors and engineers another round of applause. Show them some love, please, for the work and dedication they put into this project. Every one of these students and their teachers, their coaches, their schools, they're all winners just for the mere fact that they came and tried. So nicely done to everyone here. All right, this was our final heat. We will be having an awards ceremony in the gymnasium in between 10 and 15 minutes. Before you go, please show some appreciation again for the Rinehart Fitness Center, for Fort Sill, and for the amazing lifeguards who kept our kids safe today. Thank you all for coming out. We'll see you at the awards ceremony.
Miss Thomas,
Yes,
it's your call.
I'm ready. Are you ready? All right.
No one watched SpongeBob?
Get on your marks.
No.
Get set. Go. All right. I see him floating. Oh, look at it going. It's going pretty straight. Yeah, and it's moving pretty fast. Our team from Sullivan Village has got theirs pretty close to Mrs. Bigler. Look at that thing go.
It is hard to drive those.
Yep, it's no easy task. Keep trying. You're doing a great job. I see them moving. I see the Freedom one. Trying to shove off from the pier here.
I got my little banana boat over there moving along too.
Yeah, so the Sullivan Village team has made it halfway across the pool, the length of the pool. Paddle, Doris, paddle. Just float. Turn on your back and float, Doris. And the Freedom's boat's moving. Yep.
Don't rehearse.
Can you turn it around and come the other way?
Do you want to turn it around and see if it can come back? Did it reach the other side?
It turned itself around.
Oh, do you have the entire way around so if it hits the edge, it turns?
Well, maybe they bumped the edge and it just coming.
All right, so it looks like our Woodland Hills team, no, I'm sorry, our Freedom team has got their boat moving.
They lost their.
Oh, the Spiro.
Did we lose the Spiro? You can try and maneuver it and see if it'll push it, even though it's not in it. That would be allowed.
Okay, it's pushing.
Okay. Do I have someone who can assist with if he got disconnected? I can either try bringing it back. It's your choice. You keep trying as much as you can.
So being flexible and learning how to improvise is definitely a part of engineering. It looks like our Freedom team has learned that lesson today. I love your stick-to-itness. You're doing a great job. These are really great designs. They look wonderful.
Where did Sullivan Village go? Oh,
It's traveling back.
okay. I think let's call it Sullivan Village.
All right, friends, you have a few more moments to get your things moving.
You know what? Nobody saw.
That's right, everyone stayed afloat. Good job. It looks like our Sullivan Village team has made it all the way across the length of the pool and back, so I think we have a winner. Let's give everyone a round of applause today. Nicely done. Good job, you guys. Nicely done. Right? And everyone stayed afloat, and it's a learning experience. Nicely done, everyone. So students, today you had a lot of support. You had your principals, your assistant principals, your makerspace teachers, your classroom teachers. You had tons of support. In addition to the Fort Sill Fitness Center, MWR, and some other important people that we're going to meet here in just a moment. But would you students please show a round of applause and show your appreciation for all of the adults who helped you today. We appreciate your commitment and your effort. Everyone is a winner today because not only did you come out and try, but you've made some amazing memories, and we're really proud of you. I'm going to turn this over to Lynn Cortez. Give her a round of applause.
You important in
So this is the order that we're
making sure that you guys have enough space and resources to be
And
here
these
and
people
have
come and get
amazing
one of
boat
those.
race. So
can just
participation
measure one.
is the best. Yeah. Oh, good now. Okay. So let me introduce to you our Garrison Command Sergeant Major Pearson, and he's going to come in and say some few words for you. Okay? In this civil, okay, he's going to help us as well.
Hi everybody, you have an awesome race, and I would like to call two people up front to introduce them to the Command Sergeant Major. The first one is our Assistant Director of Educational Technology, Ms. Vanessa Perez. And our second one that we want to recognize too is Mr. Jason Browning. He's our Aquatics Manager, which means he's responsible for the water.
So first and foremost, I want to thank all the kids for having me out here a lot. You all have been absolutely amazing. So if I give one more round of applause for all the donations. And as you know, to make an event like this happen, it takes a lot of work, and from a lot of people to help us make it work. And I just want to say that on behalf of Colonel P, the Garrison Commander,
also do a thank you to our judges over there, because I don't think he said anything to them in the whole thing.
Our deepest heartfelt gratitude for helping us out with this. Because without people like you, none of this happens. So for you, we got a little poker chip for Garrison to say thanks for chipping in, and we want to say thank you for that. We say thank you for all they do. So one last round of applause for all these. But again, our deepest gratitude for all that you've done for us and the kids today. Thank you.
See you later.
Oh, now she.
Okay.
All you first.
Okay. Do you want to say something? Okay.
You thank our judges.
Yes. All right, guys, this is the moment you've been waiting for. It's time for the awards presentation. Are you excited? You don't sound very excited. Are you excited? Yeah, that's more like it. Okay, before we get to this stuff, we need to do a little of this stuff, and we need to say thank you to the ladies and gentlemen on this side who served as judges for today's events. So, please give them a round of applause. We appreciate you volunteering your time to come out and help us today. So one more round of applause for the judges and we'll start. All right, so in addition to those 3 fancy trophies that you see sitting on the table today, we have some additional awards. And we're going to start today with a special recognition award. This award is for entertainment value and creative humor in their engineering design notebook. Give me a drum roll, please. This award goes to Sullivan Village. All right, Sullivan Village, come on down and let's get you your, Vanessa's going to hand you your award and you can shake her hand. And your parents can get a photo. Yep.
You're my height.
Coaches, get in there too. You were part of this process. All right, give Sullivan Village another round of applause, please. All right. Our next award, thanks guys. You're gonna get one more? Okay, you're good.
I don't want to be in any.
You're good. Big smiles. Go team.
This is an
aesthetic. It's a combination of rubric and social media, and there were 12,768 social media posts.
Okay. Thank you. All right, give them another round of applause as they leave the stage. Our next special recognition award. This is a person, we're giving this one to a person today who showed a lot of perseverance and stick-to-itness, and this person never stopped. Anyone have any idea who we're talking about? I heard it. Who are we talking about? That's right, Elizabeth from Hugh Bish Elementary School. Come down. Elizabeth was the captain of her ship. She kept paddling and paddling. She did an awesome job. Good job. I'm going to give this to you. And you get to choose your own duck that you can take with you. Congratulations. Turn around and let your friends get a picture. Give them a little wave. Show her some more love, friends. Thank you for the encouragement that you gave her out there in the pool. Nicely done. Good job, Elizabeth. All right. So now for this part of the awards, we're going to award our Recycled Robot Awards. All right. So in second place, drum roll please, for the Recycled Robot from Freedom Rocketing Eagles. Come on down.
Vanessa, you have to give a handshake. Vanessa, come on. Come on.
All right, here comes Ms. Perez. All right, there you go. And she's going to give you your award too. And you can get some pictures with her. Because I see your teacher wanting a picture. Good job. All right, give him another round of applause, please, and his whole team. Nicely done. All right, and our first place winner for the Recycled Robot from Sullivan Village. Come on down, Lily Giardini. Good job. Nicely done, Lily. Good job. Yeah. Oh, Lily, something else goes with that. You get the trophy. Give her a great big round of applause, please. That thing was really moving in the water today. It was fast. All right. The next award we have is for Team Logo for their achievement. We have Lincoln Floating Jets. Come on down, Lincoln. Smile for the camera. Say cheese. Give them another round of applause, please. The next award that we're going to be presenting is for the aesthetic boat. Our theme this year was space.
This is the aesthetic one, is the one that's the rubric as well as.
Okay, so this one has some pretty important analytics with it. The aesthetic boat race is decided, or the places are decided by not only the judges' input by the rubric, but also by social media participation. This year, we had almost 13,000? Wow, was I ever wrong. 13,000 response to our form. So 13,000 votes and 12,768 to be exact. That award goes to, first place goes to the Edison Superhawks. Come on down, friends.
Oh, get a certificate too.
A certificate and a beautiful award. All right, give them another round of applause, please. In the category of engineering design notebook, Drum roll, please. Our first place winner, Lincoln Elementary Floating Jets. Come on down. Good job, you guys. All right, and now we're going to present the awards for the cardboard and duct tape boat race. You ready? All right. Everyone is a winner because you tried your best, you learned some important lessons, and you gained some important knowledge. So give yourselves a round of applause. Everyone's a winner. In third place for the boat race, drum roll please. Our third place winners, Cleveland Floating Falcons. Come on down, Cleveland.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, everyone's gonna get a duck. And turn around and grab a photo. All right, give them another round of applause, please. And we're ready to announce second place. Drum roll, please. In second place, we have Freedom ETs. Come on down.
We're honoring glory. Yeah. For honor, glory, and ducks. And paper. And certificate.
Okay, everyone turn around so you can get a picture, please. Don't go away. Let's get a picture. If you can't see the camera, they can't see you. All right, give them one more round of applause, please, as they make their way back to their seat. And we're ready for the first place winners of the cardboard duct tape boat race. Drum roll, please. Ladies and gentlemen, the winner of the third annual race is Eisenhower Electric Eels. Come on down.
You want a duck? And a certificate, though.
An award and a certificate. Good job. Everyone take your hand and put it in the air. Drop your hand behind your back and give yourself a couple of pats because you did a great job. Everyone here, we appreciate you and your effort, so we're going to applaud you now.
Anything else you want to say?
Okay. We thank all of you for coming out today, for taking time out of your schedule, for being here, and for supporting these students as they endeavor in the cardboard boat race. Don't forget, we have the robotics race coming up in April 5th. I was going to say August. April 5th, the robotics tournament will be coming up, so start planning now and make your plans to be there. Also, that concludes our award ceremony, so thank you all for coming out.